Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 58 degrees. Happy Thursday.
Happy Thursday to you too. All right, so I guess I'm going to get my jacket because it's too cold outside. And looks like it's a cloudy day, but it's kind of bright. Hey everybody, how's everybody doing? I'm off to the store. I have to get some salad makings. I'm still on my diet. Yes, I am. But it's a maintenance diet, so I get to eat other things like fruit and seeds and nuts and those kinds of things. So anyway, I'm off to get some carrots and some sunflower seeds, and I hope everybody's having a good time with the bargain bead box for May. I know I am. I love the amazonite. I love the colors. The only thing I'm not too happy about is the bright yellow, but as long as I meet my 3 rules, and my 3 rules are, it has to be pretty, it has to be feminine, and it has to be wearable. So as long as I meet those 3 rules, I'll be okay. And I'm looking forward to showing you my creations, but I'm not going to do it just yet. I'm not going to publish my video just yet. I'm going to wait a little bit because I don't want to upset anybody. I know sometimes I get thumb downs, and sometimes I think I get the thumb downs because people don't want to see creations too soon, and I get that because it influences their creativity, because I'm the same way. I don't watch unboxings. I don't watch finished jewelry videos of any sort until the month is over. So anyway, guys, yeah, the thumb downs, I don't understand them. I'm sure there's a reason. There's always a valid reason. There's always some truth behind each thumb down. Either they don't want the creations published too soon, either people don't like the photos, maybe they don't like the pieces, but that's okay. I respect every single interaction that I get on my YouTube videos, whether it's thumb downs, thumb ups, comments. I really appreciate all of them. But it would be nice to find out, what pleases you guys, because that's my number one goal on YouTube, is to bring you content that you enjoy and content that is uplifting, positive, and interesting at the same time. All right, let me go ahead and pull into the grocery store garage. Well, I've pulled into the grocery store garage. I'm very fortunate because my grocery store has this lovely garage which protects me against the weather, and I love it. I think it's great. Anyway, as I was saying, I do get a little bit of anxiety whenever I publish a YouTube video, because my number one goal on YouTube is to please you guys. That's my number one goal, and to bring you content that you enjoy. And I think that's every YouTuber's goal, to try to please everybody, please their viewers. And so it's a little bit challenging sometimes to figure out what people want or don't want. That's part of the challenge. Anyway, guys, I should be, bringing some more content to you soon. I'd like to do a tutorial real soon. I'm going to hold back on publishing the bargain bead box creations. I'll wait till the very end. Maybe I'll wait till everybody else publishes theirs, and then I'll publish mine. And I'm looking forward to it. All right, I better put my mask on. And I'm off to do my shopping.